In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix links not opening in Google Chrome. If you've ever clicked on a link and nothing happens, or it tries to open but just hangs, this guide is for you. We'll walk through some simple checks and adjustments you can make in Chrome and on your computer to get those links working again. First, start by opening Google Chrome on your device. Make sure you're using the latest version of the browser, because outdated versions can sometimes cause problems with how links behave. If Chrome prompts you to update or relaunch, go ahead and do that first so you're working with the most recent version. Next, try clicking a few different links from different places. For example, click a link from a search result, from a website's navigation menu, and maybe from your bookmarks. This helps you figure out if the issue happens with all links or only certain ones. If some links open and others don't, it could be a problem with that specific website. But if none of them open, it's more likely a browser or system setting causing the issue. Now, check whether your internet connection is stable. Even if pages seem to load sometimes, a weak connection can make links appear unresponsive. Try refreshing the page or quickly loading a different site to confirm that your connection is working normally. If the connection is fine, the next thing to look at is any extensions you have installed in Chrome. Extensions that block pop-ups, manage security, or alter how pages load can accidentally interfere with links. Open the Extensions page in Chrome. Then temporarily disable anything that looks related to ad blocking, security, or link handling. After turning them off, restart Chrome and test your links again. If they start working, you can turn extensions back on one at a time to find which one is causing the issue. You should also clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, stored data can become corrupted and affect how pages and links load. Open Chrome's browsing data settings, choose to clear cached images and files, and cookies for at least the last few weeks. Once that's done, close and reopen Chrome and try your links again. If links are still not opening, check whether Chrome is set as your default browser, especially if you're clicking links from other apps like email or messaging programs. Go into your system settings, locate the default apps or default browser section, and confirm that Chrome is selected. After setting it as default, try clicking a link from an external app and see if it now opens in Chrome. Finally, if none of these steps resolve the problem, you can reset Chrome settings back to their original defaults. This won't remove your saved passwords or bookmarks, but it will disable extensions and restore the default configuration, which often clears up stubborn link issues. Follow these steps carefully. Test after each change, and in most cases, you'll have your links opening properly in Google Chrome again.